Step 1. Make captivating art. Captivating is subjective. Its meaning is different to everyone. The best test of the definition in the art business context might be this question. What is your level of confidence that people who are strangers to you want to buy your art? It doesn't have to be an all-time high, but it can't be in the basement either. Self-realization is a gift in this respect. Artists have to rely on their instincts. When I say captivating art, I sometimes think artists conjure up images like the Gulf Stream. This is an 1899 oil painting by Winslow Homer. It shows a man in a small, distressed, rudderless fishing boat struggling against the waves of the sea and surrounded by sharks. Yikes! That's captivating on multiple levels. You can almost feel your stomach churning, your heart palpitating, and palms sweating as you feel for this poor fellow in such dire circumstances. Quoting TheGuardian.com, it says the titles of Damien Hirst's spot paintings give them a slightly menacing as well as dangerously attractive air. Cocaine hydrochloride, morphine sulfate, bovine albumin, butylinium toxin A. Hirst's spot paintings, some with dots about the size of pinholes and others 60 inches across, have long been celebrated and disdained for a certain anonymous and machine-like industrial uniformity. But there is no denying they captivate, while they simultaneously infuriate and cause joy and wonder. Homer Winslow and Damien Hirst give wildly different perspectives on how to make captivating art. I believe when you make art out of your imagination, it puts out a vibration that others can feel as well as perceive with their senses. It's important for you to just remember this. Just be you. I'm not sure that you learn this so much as you just know it through experience. When it comes to making captivating art, the only measurement that matters is your buyers. No other opinions matter. Not mine, not even yours. The feedback you get from patrons, prospects, and buyers will tell you if you make captivating art. Knowing you have this down and can only continue to improve on your captivating art-making skills is a huge reward in and of itself.
Thanks for watching. Keep captivating. We'll see you on the next lesson.